How to fix HP laptop stuck on logo. Is your HP laptop frozen on the logo screen? Don't panic. Here's how you can basically fix it. So first, go ahead and perform a hard reset. So power off your PC. So click on the Windows icon at the bottom left of your screen and then select power, and then in here go ahead and click on shut down. Power off, unplug the charger, remove the battery if possible, then hold the power. Once you restart your PC, go ahead and press F11 to enter recovery. Choose troubleshoot, advanced options, startup settings, and safe mode. Now from the advanced options, select startup repair. Windows will attempt to fix boot issues automatically. Enter BIOS by pressing F10, restore default, save, and reboot. Reset RAM, and storage drives if possible. Disconnect external devices before booting. Now use System Restore to roll back or reset this PC to reinstall Windows while keeping files. So you can actually find that on your settings. And then if nothing works, reinstall Windows using a bootable USB drive. And that's how you can basically fix an HP laptop stuck on the logo screen. Start simple and escalate as needed.